Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Google VEO 3 to create a realistic AI video. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use VEO 3 on Gemini. So first of all, we can visit gemini.google.com, and I have already visited this website. And then we can select try VEO. And for your information guys, you will be able to get the Google One Pro for free for 1 month, 1 month free trial. And on the Google One Pro, you will be able to get VEO. I'm going to select Pro. And then as you can see, I have already subscribed to Google Pro. And we'll be able to use VEO 3 here. I'm going to select the tools. I'm going to choose videos with VEO. Alright, and then we can describe a video that we want to create. You can also add a photo as the reference, but here I'm just going to describe the video. Alright, I'm going to click on submit, and the AI will generate a video according to our prompt. And make sure that you describe the video as detailed as you can, so the AI will generate the best video for you. And now my video is being generated. Okay guys, and now my video is ready, and let's play it. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon, and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!